Hi. Hello. Hello, Mrs. Chan. Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while. How are you, Mrs. Chan?
Okay, I'm fine.
Were
And
you
you?
busy? I'm good too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Were you busy?
No.
I mean, before.
Um, Before?
Yeah. Were you
Ah.
busy the last few days?
Hmm. Hmm. Um, I'm Tuesday.
Uh-huh.
Last Tuesday. Today is Tuesday.
Yeah.
Hmm. Last
Last week.
weekend.
Uh-huh.
Last week. I'm last week. I work.
Uh-huh.
I work.
Mm-hmm.
To 제주도.
Ah, what about today? What did you do today?
Today
Mm-hmm.
at a workshop.
Where are you now, Mrs. Chan?
Uh, at a workshop right now.
Ah, you're at the workshop right now.
Okay.
Ah, okay. Have you eaten your dinner?
Yes.
That's good. What did you eat for dinner, Mrs. Chen?
Today dinner is 닭갈비.
Takalbi.
닭갈비.
Ah,
닭갈비.
takalbi or gagalbi?
음. 닭갈비.
Takalbi. Did
치킨.
you
치킨.
a chicken?
Okay.
Did you cook it or did you buy it?
Uh, Sorry, again.
Did you cook it or did you buy it?
Buy it.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Did you
Uh,
eat in a restaurant?
no, yes.
I see. That's cool, Mrs.
Okay.
Chan.
Hmm.
Okay. So what's your plan this week, Mrs. Chan?
This week?
Yeah.
This week, my no plan. And uh, uh, I'm here.
Uh-huh.
I'm here. My fellow umpire.
You will
Uh,
stay there.
you want to say hello?
Sure.
Huh?
Okay.
인사해.
안녕.
Say hello.
Hi.
My
Hi.
fellow umpire.
Okay. It's
Hmm.
nice meeting you.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. So you were with them now.
두 번째 봤다고 얘기해 빨리.
So you're still working.
아, she's told, she's told, she, twice, twice.
The other one?
Okay.
I see. Okay, that's nice. All right. All right, Mrs. Chan, let's go to your book now. Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay. All right, let
22
me.
page, 22 page.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Mm. Oh, Changkaman. Oh, just wait. Did we finish this one before?
Hmm?
Did we finish or not yet?
Okay, finish.
I
Okay.
finished this
Huh?
one.
Reading.
This is page 21.
21. Okay.
All right. Now, this time, Mrs. Chan, you have to complete the sentences with the correct
Uh,
words.
okay, correct word.
Uh-huh.
Huh? Hmm. Grandma
Grandma sends me presents from
Presents.
Canada. Huh?
Presents.
Presents. Presents, what mean?
Gift.
Gift.
There,
Present.
yeah, there are
Uh,
two meaning.
mm,
There are two meaning of present and present.
present.
Oh,
Present.
yeah, this one present
Uh,
is gift. Like this one, like
gift.
present.
Ah,
But present
uh,
at is at the moment.
moment.
Yeah, 잠깐만. Oh, just wait. Let me change other papago.
Present is gift.
Yeah.
Another mean. Another mean.
Yeah. Different pronunciation.
Okay. Present is at the moment. Different.
Pronunciation. Different pronunciation. Pres present. When you say
Present.
present, it's a gift.
Present.
A gift.
Gift. Okay.
But when you say present, present
Present.
is at the moment.
Ah.
So like
Oh.
a gift like present.
Okay.
Like
Present.
yeah, present.
Accent. Accent the front. Present.
Good. Yeah,
Gift.
gift. But we say present
Present.
is at the moment.
At the moment. Percent. Percent. Even. At the moment.
Yeah.
Ah.
The stress,
Okay.
the stress sound is in front,
Ah.
like present,
Um.
present.
Okay. My sentence. Present and gift. Gift.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Present at the moment.
Present.
Present.
Yeah, present.
Present.
Mm-hmm.
Present.
Uh-huh. Okay, here, the stress
Present.
is at the end. Present, like present, like present.
Present.
But
Present.
yeah, here
Okay.
the stress
Mm.
like present
Okay, okay. Ah,
or present. Present.
keep the same mean. Accent front. Present.
Yeah, present
Okay.
is
At
the
the moment.
mm-hmm,
Present.
at the moment.
Okay, okay. Okay, I see.
Do you understand?
Understand. Thank you.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Okay, so here, can
Hmm.
you read number one, please, Mrs. Chan?
Grandma sends me a present
Good.
from Canada.
Good. All right.
Okay.
Number two.
Two. Uh, Goodbye. Have a great trip. Have a great trip.
Great trip.
Hmm.
Number two, Miss. Three, sorry.
3.
Mhm.
Mitchell
Michael.
is in this photo.
Yeah, this is Michael. Photo.
Photo. Okay. Do you see him?
Good. Do you
Okay.
see
Do
him?
you see him? Okay. 4.
4, please.
4. You should drink water after exercise.
Good job. Okay, one
Okay.
last.
Okay. Our weekend is only two days.
Okay, a
Okay,
weekend
weekend.
is only
Okay,
2
2
days.
days.
All right, good job. Do you have any questions about this?
No, I understand.
Okay, good job. So you got 5 over here.
Okay.
Ah. All right, now this time, use the hints and the words in the box to complete the puzzle.
Okay.
All right, so let's start with number 1, down. To make something to eat.
To make something eat. 음식을 만드는 것. Cook.
Cook.
Cook. C-O-O-K.
Yeah, that's cook.
Okay.
Number 2, across, not
Okay.
the back. Not the back.
Back. Not the back.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Front.
Front. Okay, that's right.
Front.
Okay, then let's have number 3. What blank
Okay.
is it the movie?
What is the movie? What? T죠? T?
Mm-hmm.
What time?
Uh-huh.
What time is the movie?
Oh, yes, that's right.
Okay.
Okay, what about number 4? To
Four.
blank computer games.
Too
Blank
small.
computer games.
Too small?
No,
No.
no.
No. 4. 4.
4, yes. Number 4, please.
4. Okay. Computer game, play.
Okay, that's right. Play.
Okay. Play.
All right, to play computer
Okay.
games. And one last, let's have number 5, please, Mrs.
5.
Chan.
Little?
Uh-huh,
Small.
little, small.
Okay, small.
Okay. We also have the word tiny. Tiny.
Tiny?
Yeah, tiny, mini.
Tiny. Small.
Yeah,
Same.
small.
Okay,
Yeah,
same.
little. Uh-huh.
Okay. Small. Tiny. Mini. Small. Little. Okay.
Okay, so these
Okay.
are the same meaning.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Now, let's go here to the next page, 22.
22, okay.
All right, now let's read this one, Mrs. Chen. I want you to read this, okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is an example letter.
Letter, okay.
Yeah, like an email.
Email.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now let's go with the title first.
Okay. I'm reading.
Yeah, please. The
Okay.
title first. Come,
Okay. Hyena,
go.
my birthday is
The
this.
title first, please.
Come to my party.
Okay.
Okay. Hi, Anna. My birthday is this Saturday. I will have a small party at my home. We will have lunch and play games. My parents will cook lots of great food. We can drink juice or water. My sister will make a big cake. About eight people will come. I hope to see you here. Can you come? Please send me an email. I need to know my Thursday. Let's have fun. Day Saturday, June 17. Time 1 to 5 in the afternoon. Address 760 4th Street.
14.
14th Street. Your friend Brian.
Okay, very good. Yeah, Brian or Brian. So,
Okay.
okay. So, do you have any question about this, Mrs. Chan?
Hmm,
Do you understand? Or
okay.
or
Just okay. Okay. I understand.
you understand? Okay, let's
Okay.
answer
Okay.
this. Now, this time you have to circle for true, a T for true, or F
Okay.
for
Mm.
false.
Mm.
Okay. Is it true or false? The party is
Okay.
at Anna's home.
No, Anderson, Brian home.
Okay,
Anderson, okay,
that's
false.
false. Very good.
Okay. Okay.
Brian has to cook for the party. Is it true or false?
No, false. Brian parent cook.
Yeah, Brian's parents will cook for the party.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So, what should Anna do by
Mhm.
Thursday?
Okay. What should Anna do by Thursday? Uh, Send Brian on email.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay, what time does the party start?
Mara, call Brian, call.
I'll call Brian?
Call?
No, because this is
Call
an email.
Brian. Call Brian is mean? Call?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay.
But
Okay.
since this one is an email, so the
Email.
answer,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
send Brian an
Okay.
email.
Mm.
Okay, what time does the party start?
Start
Yeah,
1 p.m.
very good. What time does the party end?
and 5 p.m.
Very good. Okay, when is the party?
When afternoon.
Afternoon.
When? Saturday, June 17.
Very good. Okay. Whose party is it?
Food. Food. Or a lot cook and great food and drink juice or water.
Okay, so my question is whose party
Hmm?
is it?
Sorry.
It's okay.
Brian birthday party.
Okay, it's Brian's birthday party. Very good.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
all right. Okay, one last. Who will make the cake?
Who don't make
Who will make the cake?
sister?
Yeah, okay, it's
Brian's
Brian's.
sister.
Okay, yeah, it's Brian's.
Who? HWO. Who?
Yeah,
Who the make and cake?
yeah, who will make Brian's cake?
Who the make Brian cake?
Yeah, who will
Okay.
make?
Brian's sister.
It's
Brian's
Brian's.
sister.
Oh, yes, it's Brian's sister. All
Okay.
right. Wow, you're doing great.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So last page of the activity.
Okay.
Let's change the bold words.
Hmm?
Write true sentences about the reading.
Reading. Okay.
All right. So let's have
Mhm.
number one, Mrs. Chen, please.
Brian plans a big party. No big, small
Oh,
party.
okay, a small party.
Okay.
And so it's not big.
Okay. Two.
Uh-huh.
Okay. They will eat food at the party. Eat fruit? No, food.
Food.
Food. A lot food.
A lot of food. A lot
Okay.
of
Of
food.
food. A lot of food. Three.
Uh-huh.
His sister will buy a cake. No buy. She's make.
She will make.
She will make.
Okay, his sister will make.
Hmm?
Okay,
His,
will make a
his
cake.
sister will make
All right.
a cake.
Okay. Number
Okay.
4.
Four. They will watch game. No, they will play games.
Very good. Play
Okay.
games. And
Okay.
number 5.
The party starts at 1 in the morning. No. 1 in the afternoon.
Okay, 1 in the afternoon.
In the afternoon.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. So these are the words. Good.
Okay.
All right.
Good.
Now one last. So fill in the blanks to complete the summary of their reading. Use the words in the box.
In the box. Okay. Now?
Uh-huh.
Now reading?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Brian wants Anna to come to his birthday party.
Mm-hmm.
It is on Saturday afternoon.
Okay.
Okay. It will be a small party with about eight people.
Okay.
Okay, people. His parents will cook and the kids will play games.
Good. All right. That's one. Nice one, Mrs. Chen.
You
Okay.
great teacher.
Yeah, thank you. Can you give me a big high five to that?
High five.
High five. There you go.
Very
Because you're
good.
doing great. Mm,
Great. You're great.
yeah, you are great too.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, Mrs. Chen, do you have any questions about the words here?
No, I understand.
You understand them.
Okay.
Now this time you will. Okay. So we will have this word.
Hmm?
Okay. All right. Now let's read the words, Mrs. Chan. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you read this one?
Again.
It's again.
Again.
No, it's not again. It's again.
Again.
Good.
다시.
Again.
Again.
Yeah, like this one.
Again. Again.
Again.
Mm, Again. Mm.
Again.
Okay. Again. Again. No.
No, it's not again. It's again. Like
Again.
again.
Mm.
Again.
Again.
Okay.
Mm.
Can you read again, Mrs. Chen?
Again. Read it.
This one.
He needs to write the letter again.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Mara.
Mm-hmm.
Um. AD. Advantage.
A can you say one more
AD,
time?
ADVANTGE.
VENT
VAN
VANTGE
NTGE. TTGE.
T.
Okay, TG.
This one
Okay, TAGE and TGE.
T G E.
Advantage. Advantage.
Ad Advent. This one.
No. Advantage.
Can you? Sorry, I don't.
The ADVANTGE.
T Z.
T
Other T
G
G.
G T1.
Just one T.
Okay,
Is it this?
just one G.
This one?
E.
E?
Okay.
There's no word like this.
You speaking
No. I think
advantage.
this one is advantage.
I again
Again, it's advantage.
advantage.
Yeah, advantage.
Advantage.
Yeah, advantage.
Advantage.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Advantage.
Advantage.
Mrs. Chen, can you read this word, please?
Okay. Again.
Again, okay.
Okay.
All right. So don't forget, it's not again, it's again.
Okay. Don't forget.
Okay, please. This
Again.
one.
Bad.
Okay.
The fruit is bad.
Okay.
Okay. Buy.
All right.
She buys a small gift.
Okay.
Okay. And some people cry at the end of a movie.
All right. Do you cry at the end of a movie too?
Okay.
Yeah. Me too.
I'm
Me too.
sad.
Yeah. This one, Mrs. Chen.
Fine.
Okay.
He finds his lunch in the bag.
Yeah. Can you read this word, please?
Lunch.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Lunch. Okay. Friend. He plays baseball with his friends in the afternoon.
Okay.
My friend.
Oh yeah, your friend.
My friend. Say. Please say your address again.
Again. Okay.
Again.
But when it's this one
Huh?
with S, it's not says, it's says.
Says.
Yeah. If there's S, it's not says, it's says.
Says.
Okay. Can you read this sentence, please?
Sentence.
Read. Just read. Just read, Mrs. Chen.
Sentence.
Yeah, just
Sentence.
read.
Say. Say.
Again? No, just read.
Just read. Please say your address again.
Good. Okay. One last.
Speak.
Okay.
The teacher speaks to the student.
Okay.
Okay. Sweet. She likes to eat sweet snakes.
Okay.
Oh,
Last.
Mara, finish time.
Yeah, just finish this.
True. Is it true then you have a monkey?
Okay, that's right.
Okay.
Very good. So yeah, we just finished the time, Mrs. Chan. But our
Okay.
lesson is over, so let's have a goodbye. Goodbye, Mrs. Chan.
Bye.
Good
Thank you,
night.
Mara.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.